Okay.
Okay, Sharon, thank you very much for joining ServiceNow demonstration. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and with this, I have one slide with me, and in which I have few activities that we will follow throughout this demonstration. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
then if you have any questions, we will discuss that also.
Okay, sure.
Okay, great. So let me show you this PPT. Are you able to see my screen properly?
Yeah, I can
Okay.
see the screen.
Okay, so the very first activity is that presenter's introduction. So that is my
Mm-hmm.
introduction. Okay, so I am the trainer actually. My name is Aditya. So I'm
Mm-hmm.
the one who will give you the all trainings about ServiceNow, starting from 30 hours trainings we have. So let me introduce myself.
Mm-hmm.
So I have total 5+ experience in ServiceNow administration and development, and I have worked
Okay.
with almost 5 to 6 clients, big US clients in ServiceNow itself. There I got opportunity to work on as a developer, as an administrator, as a team lead. Day by day means I got opportunity to like do all kind of work to development, to take the like to teach the team for training. Also, I am doing something in my team, and as well as I am certified. Also, I am ITIL as well as uh, ServiceNow certified professional. Okay, so along with
Mm-hmm.
trainings, I'm working also somewhere on ServiceNow itself.
Oh, you are here in US?
I'm not in US right now. I'm in India.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
taking this class from India itself.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is my introduction. Okay, along with that, I started my career from PLSQL. I have that knowledge also, and apart from that, my whole experience is in ServiceNow administration and development and integrations. Okay,
Okay.
so this is it from my side. Uh, Now it's your turn. Please go ahead and tell me something about yourself, your qualifications.
Yeah, actually, I'm doing my master's in computer science in Chicago State University,
Okay,
and I'm going to complete my master's in this December 2015.
okay,
Yeah, I did my bachelor's in uh, electronics and communication engineering.
okay.
Uh,
So,
yeah, I'm in 2012 passed out, so
okay,
yeah, that's
that's
about it.
very nice. Okay, so from 2012 you passed out your bachelor's and now you're doing master's, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, great. So you are in computer science, so I think you
Mm.
must be aware of some basics of programming and all, right?
Yeah, yeah.
At least basics like what is for loop, what is while loop, and all such basic constructs in programming. You must be aware of it, right?
Yeah, kind of, but I'm not that interested in coding, so uh, I
No, don't worry,
never
don't
had
worry.
that.
I'm just asking so that sometime it will be required, okay, at very minimum level. So this is the course
Okay, okay.
ServiceNow which we will go through. So do you know anything about ServiceNow till date?
No, not exactly.
Okay, so any questions you have before starting? Okay.
Yeah, that's what I just want to know how it works, like what is service now and everything, so that I can get an idea and then, I can go further with the consultancy and all.
Okay, sure. I will give you the brief overview of ServiceNow. What is
Yeah,
ServiceNow?
kind of, I was interested because my friends, a lot of my friends got a job in this field, so.
Definitely, definitely. I will give you all the basic details how this market is booming with ServiceNow jobs basically in US itself. Okay, and apart from that, how easy to learn ServiceNow, what all things is required to learn this tool, and all the questions I will take care. Okay, so I would like
Okay,
now I will start this slide and I will give you brief introduction of all the things. So anywhere, anytime
okay,
if you feel like if you have any questions or something, please let me know, and then I will answer
mm,
that immediately.
okay. Okay.
Okay, Sharon?
Sure.
Okay. So
Okay.
ServiceNow is first of all an ITSM tool. Okay, ITSM
Mhm.
means IT service management. So basically, let me give an example. You must, as you are in a university, you must have intranet, right, at your university, right?
Yeah.
So obviously, because it's not possible to manage the large organizations just by doing some manual tasks. You must have something automation, or you must have some website or something by which you will manage the whole thing. So basically what we are doing in ServiceNow, we are managing the whole company. All the basic work which we are doing in the company is being managed through ServiceNow. Okay, for example, takes example of a big organizations like NetApp or any organization, Facebook, and also these are the very big organizations. They have lot of information in the form of servers, in the form of data, right? So how to
Yeah.
manage that thing?
Okay.
Apart from that information, customer data and information, these companies are having their own information itself, right? Means the information of their employees, information
Mhm.
of their assets. Like asset means what all like
I
what
mean,
all peripherals, what all devices are installed in their premises and all these things, right? So
yeah.
how the people are managing this thing. So this is the most important thing when you're running a company. Obviously, first of all, just to keep the profits aside, but keep the customers aside. But apart from that, you must organize your company first of all, right? So that there
Yeah.
will be no cliche within your company structure, and then you can look easily to your main objective, that is customer focusing our customers and getting good profits, right? So if
Yeah.
everything is managed in a very good manner within the company, then obviously they will interact and they
I
will
have a
think.
question, Aditya. I have a question.
Yeah.
Like already all the companies will be having a website, right? So again, what's the use of service now?
No, it's not about
If,
website. I just give you an example. Okay.
uh,
Website is
okay.
just an interface by which you interact. Okay.
Okay.
Apart from that, if you take examples of your admission data, right? So
Mhm.
somewhere we are managing, your company or your college is managing the data of all the students somewhere, right? And the number of students uh, are increasing day by day. So how they're managing all such things very properly? So obviously there
Okay.
must be someone who is sitting behind the scenes and doing all those things, right? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
So,
Yeah, yeah, I'm hearing you.
okay. So this is the thing, right? So you entered in a company. Uh, Company must have day-to-day tasks. They have their customers. They are taking care of all the things. Suppose a user in
So
a
are you talking
company.
about the database? Aditya, so you are talking about the database of a company?
See, managing the whole thing, it's not only a database. Database is something different, but how
Mm.
we acquire information and then we save it to database. This is the whole process is managed within
Mm.
ServiceNow. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So in a company, there are many departments, right? There must be HR
Yeah.
department, there must be finance department. So it is the only team because all these departments are using IT, information technology, in order to process their information. What actually, if you
Mm.
see behind, what actually these departments are doing, these departments are just getting the information or getting the raw data and then turning that data into information, right? Nothing else.
Mm.
If you see in a
Yeah.
very like deep level, what actually these guys are doing, they are just gathering the information, gathering the data, and then managing that data, or like
Mm.
symbolizing that data so that it will be helpful for the organization and as well as for other people who are there in that organization. So how the whole
Okay.
chunk of information is being managed? This is the thing done by ServiceNow. For example, you are from HR department. Obviously, you need some kind of portal by which you can grab information, or by which you can integrate or interact with the other tools which are available like Naukri.com or Indeedjob.com. So all these things are provided by ServiceNow itself. We have all things available here itself. We are managing the whole company within the ServiceNow. So ServiceNow is
Okay.
a proper ITSM solution which is provided to the company. It's a cloud-based solution. Basically, ServiceNow, it's a company in United States.
Mm-hmm.
It is providing cloud-based services, that is
Mm-hmm.
software as a service. So the
Mm-hmm.
company who want to use ServiceNow, they just need to go to ServiceNow and ask them, okay, I want to use your service. So what they will do, they will give you a kind of space in their server, okay, and
Okay.
a particular website, or you can say particular instance by which you can
Mm.
interact or you can customize the things based on your organization.
Okay.
Okay, so nothing you need just an internet connection and your user ID and password in order to log in into ServiceNow.
Okay. So we can access it from anywhere, right?
Yes, obviously you can access it from anywhere, but it depends on how much critical your instance is. Like if your customer is Citibank, so obviously it will not allow you to log in from anywhere. Obviously there must be a security breach in such
Okay.
cases, right? If you are a normal, means if it's a normal thing, normal infotainment or something like that, your customer, then obviously you can log in. But all such options are available. Depends on how you are customizing your instance. So now you'll ask
Okay.
me like where your work is, right? Okay, so we are
Mm.
using ServiceNow, people are using ServiceNow. So first of all, the market of ServiceNow is very huge. So let me show you first of all here.
Mm.
So this is a kind of screenshot you can see here. These are the very small list of ServiceNow customers which which I took from one of the website, okay, which is published on
Okay.
the basis of ServiceNow analysis, and that was, I
So
think,
you are saying that the service now is used by all these
yeah,
companies?
obviously it is a very small list,
Oh,
whatever you are
okay.
seeing here. All these are
Okay.
very big IT companies, or sorry, big US companies, right? You can see
Mm.
Dell, you can see Facebook, Twitter, all these companies are using ServiceNow. And the companies which are not using are planning to go to ServiceNow because of its various great features. First of all, it
Okay.
is cloud-based. You need not to be in client network in order to access anything in ServiceNow. You can access ServiceNow
Mm.
from your mobile. You can access ServiceNow from your tab, from your iPad, iPod, I'm sorry, not iPod, from
Even from your
iPad.
phone?
Yes, from phone also you can access ServiceNow. It will give
Mm.
you very bright future. The user interface,
So
the
is it
appearance.
same like big data?
Sorry.
Is it same like big data?
No, big data is something different. This is something different. Big data, what big data is doing, it is just, it is, suppose all these organizations are growing day by day. The information or the data in all this organization is growing day by day, right? So there is a lot and lot of data which is available and which is not generally processed. So what big data is doing, big data or Hadoop, what they are doing, they are processing that data accordingly and extracting information from that particular chunk of data. So
Okay.
that thing is only related to data only, not data. It's a very, very large amount of data which is not
Mm.
processed. So what they are doing, they are just making some mapping in that data and extracting information which may be useful for the organization in future. But in
Okay.
ServiceNow, we are managing the whole company. We are managing the database also. We are managing the users also. We are managing the customers also. We are providing an interface to the customer so that they can order the things easily. Obviously, right? If you see your online portals, if you have done shopping online, you are seeing some cart option and everything, right? Service catalog is there.
Mm. Mm.
So like
Okay.
Flipkart, are you using Flipkart or something like that?
Yeah. I
So
mean, not now. I used to be in India. I
yes,
used
so you are
to
a
be.
Flipkart customer. So what you will do, you will go to Flipkart, you can add the things to your cart and then you can pay it. So now see the relationship here. You are a customer and that is a particular site available on internet, right? So
Yeah.
how these people are managing from backend? All these things are managed by some of the tool. So all these are the
Okay.
feature provided by a tool. So in case of ServiceNow, when I'm saying I have deployed ServiceNow in my premises as a client. So I am offering you all these features. So as a
Okay.
customer, you can log in to my instance. You can see what all progress I have, what all services I am giving. So So managing the whole things, we are using ServiceNow. So this is a
Okay.
very small list. So a list is increasing day by day. I told you what all features are there. It's a cloud-based, is does not require large number of money. Okay, license maintenance is very low cost here in ServiceNow. You can access it from anywhere, from any device, as well as the user interface is very beautiful, means it's very standard. You can design a very good quality websites in ServiceNow also. Apart from that, it is giving you cloud-based services. That is, you need not to take care of anything. You just has to get it from the ServiceNow team and install it, or you can use it directly. You need not to buy a server. You need not to set up anything in order to use ServiceNow. Means I'm
Mm.
talking with respect to a company. Company need
Okay.
not to invest anything. Just they have to purchase some space from ServiceNow and use it directly. So that's why companies are very much interested in ServiceNow. Apart from that, it is providing a whole solution, whole ITSM solution within a single roof. No other tool in the market till date from the day IT has begun has done this, but ServiceNow is leveraging from anything. You can see this graph here. They have started
Mm-hmm.
from help desks. Okay, you can see this graph.
Okay.
How this is how it is like widening here. So they have started from help desk, they have moved to ITSM, that is service management. Day by day, they are increasing their worth here.
Mm.
Okay, the width is being increasing. It means they are
Yeah, and
giving you a lot of
showing
like ITSM
by year.
solution. Yeah, tell me please.
Yeah, is it showing by yearly basis, like, or
It
how
is
it's
not showing yearly basis. It is showing you by some kind of. You can see this. These are the operations which they are doing, and this is how much they are like invested or how much they are getting in that.
okay, okay.
So you can see here the main thing which you have to see here, like this thing, how this gap is increasing. It means that they are covering a lot and lot of things day by day. So it's they have started from a very small thing. Now they have uh, grasped almost all the market in US. You heard about there is a tool, many other tools are available which are competitor to ServiceNow, but ServiceNow is now replacing all such tools. There is a tool known as Remedy that is being used
Mm-hmm.
in market from last 30 years. Okay, so now ServiceNow is a player which is around 5 to 6, means people have started ServiceNow extensively from last 6 years, or you can say 5 years. Okay, so now all these customers which I have shown you here, all these were using Remedy or such kind of tools previously, so they all switched to ServiceNow because of such great features.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
and this chain is being increasing day by day. They have 24-hour,
Okay.
24/7 availability. They have their support available. So you have n number of jobs available in ServiceNow. So now where your job resides, this could be a question, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like what
obvious.
I should do and
Yes,
what the company will give me the task.
definitely. I will focus on that thing also. So when I am saying that you, as a customer, you just go to ServiceNow and they will give you a proper space, okay? A small instance they will
Okay.
give you so that you can log in that instance and uh, just work on it, okay? Use it.
Okay, so I can store all the company's information there. Oh,
I'll show you. This is a demo instance which is provided by ServiceNow. So it is something like that. So I'll
okay.
show you. Just give me a second. It is down. There are total 21 demo instances. Unfortunately, or are restarting some issue. Okay, this one is working. Demo 02, you can see here servicenow.com. So I'm now logging into this particular demo. Something like that you will get from ServiceNow when you purchased an instance from ServiceNow. Okay,
Okay.
so what is your work? So This is the thing, this is the blue copy which ServiceNow give to you, me, whoever go to ServiceNow. Okay, so now you
Okay.
belongs from uh, you belongs from different company. I belongs from Google, you belongs from Yahoo. Obviously the internal structure of your organization as well as my organization, the nomenclature of various services, various things, various assets in your organization and my organization is different, right?
Yeah.
The processes are always different, mostly.
Yes.
The crunch meaning
Yes.
is same, but obviously the way to execute and various other things are different, right? So here the
Yes.
work
Yes.
of developers or administrators comes into place. Now our work is
Mm.
to manage this tool, is to like manage the things here in such a way based on the current atmosphere or current requirement of the customer. So suppose you belongs from Yahoo. So what all processes are being followed in Yahoo? It's your responsibility. You have to manage this tool based on the Yahoo requirements, based on the Yahoo processes. There are
Okay.
a lot number of means a large number of processes are available. ITSM processes, you have to manage the users, you have to manage the.
Can you take an example for some like Google or something, anything, and can you show us like what the thing they're gonna use?
Sorry.
Can you take an example like you as you said Yahoo or Google, right? So can you take an example and show me like how they use?
Obviously how they use, like you can see here, a lot of services are available, but all these
Mm.
services we will see I mean in actual classes. So let me show you one example. This is something called service catalog. So its service catalog is a thing which contains all the services which a company is having or is providing to a customer or to the internal users. Okay, this is the meaning of service catalog. You know
Okay.
catalog, right? It's kind of menu card. If you visit
Yeah.
any restaurant, they will give you one menu card,
Mm.
right? They will give you one catalog
Yes.
where all the
Mm.
services of that particular restaurants are listed. Whatever you want, you order
Yes.
it and you get it, right?
Yeah.
So it is similar to this.
Yeah.
This is the
Mm.
self-service. This is service catalog for, suppose this is an instance
Mm.
for Google. Okay, so you are from Google and Google
Okay.
has purchased an instance from ServiceNow and now
Mhm.
you got this. So you have to configure this particular thing as per the Google services. So now Google offer various services. You can see these all are the services. Okay, so
Okay.
what all services Google has providing you. So all those services you have to manage in this. So you have to create all those services. You have to like create such tables. You have to create like services. You have to create the workflows of those services. All these things you will manage as per the Google here. So in hardware, if the Google is having 5 services, so what you will do, you will create 5 services based on the Google atmosphere, based on the enterprise, that is Google. Okay, under hardware. And as I am
Okay.
an employee from some different organization, based on my company, based on my company's like organizational structure, I will design the things as per uh, as per my company's profile. Okay, so this is the thing which we are doing in ServiceNow as a developer or administrator. Apart from
Okay.
this, if you are managing the data of users, if you are managing the data of incidents, like some problems which users are facing, all these things are managed throughout this tool.
Okay.
So there are a lot of work which is being done within ServiceNow. We are doing a lot of integrations also. Suppose
Mhm.
your company is integrating with some other company or some other website or some other like application, and in that case also uh, we are doing some integrations from ServiceNow itself. So don't worry, there a lot of work is available within ServiceNow, and these projects, if for example I work for GE, you know, General Electric, right?
G. Okay.
So I worked for GE also in my initial days. So the projects on which we were working with, it took around 3 years to complete the total turnover from Remedy to ServiceNow. So a lot of opportunity to work in ServiceNow. Okay, is that understood? Like you means how the things are working in ServiceNow, just like in case of
Yeah,
service catalog. You got it right?
yeah, yeah, I got it. I
It
got the
basic,
idea.
yeah. It basically you purchase your house, I purchase my house from the same builder.
Mm-hmm.
Right, so you have your own aspirations, you have your own inspirations, so you have your own decoration design, so you will decorate your house as per your choice and I will decorate my house as per my choice, right? But we owned or we are using the rent the using space from the same builder, right? All the services are provided by the same builder.
Yes.
So any questions regarding service now? Any other question?
No, I'm okay, but I wanna know more about this the tool like you just told me, right?
See,
The demo service.
the more about tool, definitely we will learn in demo in our actual classes. But conceptually,
Oh,
I
okay.
have told you, right? This is a demo class, so this is not the training.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
this is just to give you
So
demo
is there
like what
any
all we are doing in
um,
ServiceNow. What is ServiceNow? So I think you understand what is ServiceNow first of all.
yeah, yeah.
So this
I
is the
got an
main,
idea.
yeah, this is the main crunch of this demonstration so that you understand, you know now what all, how the market is in service now. Definitely, I will tell you it is booming. So every company, Google,
Mm-hmm.
Apple, all these companies are switching to service now, Microsoft, Facebook. Okay, NASA, even NASA has also started the project. From last 1 year, they are working on service now itself. And it is not something which will end. So see, development will end at some point, but maintenance will never end in ServiceNow because it's a day-to-day job which we are managing. Managing a company means we are managing the company daily, right? You cannot manage
Yeah.
the things in a particular day or what. So daily users are
Okay.
coming, daily people are going, daily you are adding new services, something. So this is the work which is continuous. So no need, so very less impact of recession also if you are a ServiceNow developer. That will also
Mm-hmm.
help. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now tell me, please. Any questions?
Yeah, I'm okay with it. Yeah, and I'll search by my own. Like I'll get an idea. I'll search in the Google.
Yeah, definitely. You can see the how ServiceNow is booming. Everything you can see. Though I told you, so don't worry about like jobs and all in ServiceNow. You already have feedback from your friends, right?
Yeah, and one more thing I wanna know, like, you worked on service now, right? So how much will be the project duration?
How much will be the?
Project duration, like, the time a company needs a service now.
Don't worry. There are a lot of miss. You will once you get a job. It's not
Mm-hmm.
like 1 or 2 months or 1 year, 2 year. It will be a long-lasting job for a company.
Oh.
Okay. Long lasting, you don't
Mm-hmm.
worry about the duration. It's not like a single project is completed then you are done. So once the development is done, then you have maintenance and it will go like anything. Daily, I told you,
Oh.
right? Daily new services are introduced, daily new integrations. So a lot of work for you. So don't worry about durations.
Okay, okay,
Okay, great.
okay.
Any other question, ma'am?
No, no, I'm okay.
Okay, so let me show you. Let me tell you something about our course. Okay.
Okay.
So what we are doing in this particular training, I will give you the basics of ServiceNow,
Mm-hmm.
and in that basics, we include. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm there. I'm there. I'm
Okay.
listening.
Okay. So this is the course overview. We have two modules, administration and development. So I will go through various very important
So
terms.
again, one question, Aditya. So I can be an ServiceNow admin or I can be a ServiceNow developer, right?
Yes, I'll tell you. So this is the course which I have designed, which will cover both. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
No,
See,
I'm just asking you like what are the roles I would get in the
yes,
company?
yes. Yeah, okay. In a company, definitely you will get there are companies which generally require developers also and separately administrators also. So all
Mm-hmm.
kind of jobs are available. I will show you all the jobs. This is being listed in my last slide. So all what kind
Okay.
of jobs are available. But this course is covering both administration and development. So some in what is happening actually, there are modules in which some part is administrator's part and some part is of developer. Okay,
Okay.
so you cannot like differentiate between those things. You have to learn
Okay.
both the things, otherwise it will be very hard for you to go ahead in the field of service now. So that's why I came up with this course where we are learning all the basics. First of all the basics, then how to use service now, and then administration topics, and then the same development topics. Okay, so
Okay.
it's a total 30-hour course. 30 hours
Mm-hmm.
means 30 hours from my side, like it will extend based on your interactivity, how much you guys interact, how much questions you guys ask. So it will take as per that. But for 30 hours, it's just for my explanation or something like that, 25 to 30 hours.
Okay.
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 This is about the course. We will have classes generally on weekdays, okay, and
Mm-hmm.
weekends we will be off. And based on
Mm-hmm.
our mutual discussion, mutual understanding, if sometime maybe you have some work or some in weekdays, then we can skip the class. So
Okay.
based on the mutual understanding of the whole batch, we will take the classes. But the normal schedule is weekdays, no class on weekends.
Okay.
Okay, so why one should learn service now? I already have told you, right? Many benefits, but few are here.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, it is the very first thing which is very easier to learn. You should not be a like programming geek in case of service now. You know at least the basic concept, then you are okay. Okay, in
Mm-hmm.
that. Otherwise, in other technologies or tool, you must be very good in scripting and all, right? But in service now, you can manage the things if you just give up like a little bit effort. Okay, it's ServiceNow now have started. We started from 2003. It's 2015 right now. So a lot of code dependencies have been reduced in ServiceNow. Everything is being manageable through with the help of some commands and all. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. And I told you it is being hottest company from 2006 or 7. So it's been increasing like anything day by day. And then last slide is that vast variety of jobs available at ServiceNow level. So if you learn ServiceNow, if you have these skills with you, then you have the following options available to you. It could be a developer, it could be a ServiceNow administrator, advanced ServiceNow administrator, application developer, administrator come developer both. That is our course. Service tax agent, integration expert, CMDB expert, discovery expert, all these are the processes, okay, which the people are using in service now. You can be a trainer if you learn in good manner like me, and you can be like me, like as a trainer also. You, and apart from that, a large number of jobs are available in service now.
Mm-hmm.
So day by day, this thing is booming throughout the globe, not only in United States, UK, UAE, uh, or you can say Germany, Singapore, everywhere in India also. A lot of jobs, a great variety of jobs are available in service now, starting from the fresher level till the experienced up to architect level, 10 years experience. All types of things are available in service now.
Okay.
Just after the course, I will share some dumps with you guys, okay? So that you are will be able, or that will be helpful for you to clear your certification. ServiceNow has a
Mm-hmm.
number of certifications, so obviously doing certification will add some value in your resume or profile. So that will
Mm-hmm.
really help you. And apart from that, you can see search out the LinkedIn and everywhere. You can see how the people are interacting in ServiceNow. Around 20 plus groups are available for ServiceNow professionals. We have the wiki, we have a community where the people are posting the jobs, where people are posting their questions, and the people directly from ServiceNow take interest or show interest in that particular community. and any questions you have, any technical question, functional question, people are like getting engaged and giving you the best answers.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah. So a lot of growth if you join ServiceNow. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So any questions you have? I think I'm done with my this particular PPT. So I think I have shared you what is ServiceNow, how to use ServiceNow, where we are using ServiceNow, why it is essential, why it is why it is like in competition with others, and why it is like on like greater edge than other tools available. All these things we have shared. I have shared with all the details of my training program. Okay, how on the timing,
So it is,
everything is being shared.
yeah. Okay. Okay.
So now tell me if you have any other doubt with respect
Yeah.
to ServiceNow, anything, please let me know.
Is there any business intelligence involved in ServiceNow?
Sorry,
No. Business intelligence.
business intelligence.
Mm-hmm.
So no, so it's not a BI tool. Okay, it's not a business intelligence.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a
It's not a.
purely ITSM. I told you it's a ITSM tool, IT service management. So it is used to manage the whole enterprise. Okay, each and every
Mm.
entity of a particular enterprise is being managed with the help of ServiceNow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's a completely different concept.
Yeah, BI is different, obviously. Business intelligence is different. That is
Mm-hmm.
a complete different thing, right? That is
Yeah,
a kind
definitely.
of, it's not even a technology. It's a kind of different process or a different field, you can say. Okay.
Yeah.
Even
Correct.
though if a company is having a BI team, so in order to manage or provide services to that team, ServiceNow can be used.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, but you know, every team, I told you various departments are there. All departments are doing their own work, but we in ServiceNow are helping those departments in order to manage their data, in order to manage their process in a very
Mm-hmm.
effective manner so that they will utilize maximum from that particular information, and they will focus only on the work which they are doing. They are not bother about the data, right?
Yes.
When you are going for a competition, when you are like playing basketball, in that case you must not be worried about the quality of a basketball, right? You should be focused about your skills. So that's what we are doing. We are taking care of the basketball, we are taking care of the court, we are taking care of all the belongings which are being used in a basketball match, apart along with the dress, along with all the utilities of a player. Okay, so that the
Okay.
player, or here player can be represented as a customer, so that the player can only focus on the main goal, that is
Mm-hmm.
winning the match or the strategy of the match, nothing else, right? They should not take care, or they should not be aware, like they should not like think about other things, only one thing. So this is ServiceNow is doing. In order to make the business very easy, we are trying to maximize, or we are trying to help out the whole departments of IT or a particular organization, so that they work their work, so that they do their work very efficiently and effectively.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Any other question?
No, no, I'm okay.
Okay, then please share your feedback with whoever you are coming. Okay, in
Okay.
your
Okay.
consultancy, and then hopefully we will have this training soon uh, based on your feedback. Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Hello. Yeah, Aditya. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you properly. So
Yeah.
this is it, Sharon. Any questions you have now?
Yeah. Actually, I'm asking you like when will we start the next batch?
See, hopefully we will start it from Monday. Okay,
Okay.
depends on. I will share. Actually, we were expecting few more people to join this demo, but unfortunately they are not able to make it. So we will share this recording with them, and then based on the feedback, we will try to start this batch as soon as possible. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then
Yeah.
thank you very much for joining today, and hopefully we will
Okay.
meet soon in the trainings.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Okay, Shen, thank
Sure.
you for joining. Have a nice day. Bye.
Have a nice day. Yeah, bye.